Hello guys, so welcome to tonight's show. My name is CHUKS and you're on GFL TV, the home of football. So if today is the first time we see our program for you to bring you the latest Arsenal news updates as they drop all over the world. So for now, we almost start with tonight's show. All right, so IFAB don't approve a new goalkeeper time wasting rule. So the International Football Association Board call it talk say from next season, the new rule will be say when a goalkeeper holds the ball and the goalkeeper hold that ball for more than 8 seconds because they try to kill time wasting. The goalkeeper hold the ball for more than 8 seconds, the referee go blow corner for the opposition players. For example, now maybe Raya maybe they play Manchester City now. Raya can't catch ball, can't waste time, now can't hold the ball for more than 8 seconds, maybe 9, 10 seconds. Referee check time. Referee go just blow corner kick to Manchester City. This new rule go mad next season. So Fabrizio Romano broke the news. So Fabrizio, this rule, I don't already talk am before. Say this rule go come for front though, and today is not a possibility. After IFAB do their meeting, they say official new rule have now been approved for goalkeepers from next season. If goalkeeper holds the ball for more than 8 seconds, the referee will award the corner kick to the opposing team. The rule has been approved for next season by the International Football Association Board, IFAB. And Romano Kwan dey ask whether una agree on this deal, whether una like the deal or not. This deal na something we say e go affect everybody. E get now. Apart from this issue now, e get another matter wey I talk say make I table for una from, because when you if you watch of like today now, you go see say I dey record the shows before I upload am. I no dey go live again. I no be say I just like to do am like that, because that one na more stress. Imagine after recording the shows, I'll come start to upload am. Na more stress get. Now because of the new law wey Facebook don implement now. So just wake up. Yesterday I just receive a notification from Facebook. So when they talk about and they don't get storage policy. So Facebook can talk say for all the Facebook live videos, web pages, both profile where everybody they do for Facebook now. So those videos before, if it go live finish, the video go to your page forever, perpetual. Now Facebook on the talk say any live video where you do after 30 days, that video will disappear. They go remove them for your page. I know say of recent, we usually go live discuss. So what this means now, imagine say you do like maybe 50 live videos in a month. Then after 30 days, all those 50 videos go vanish, come off your channel. Your channel will come dey empty. It no make any sense. Yeah. So that's why now I dey take the pain after recording as like this now. They record them now, nobody they watch me now. Let me dey with the camera. But after recording, I will now upload it for you to view. So I just try to let you understand how things they go. The only live what they do now, maybe the day we Arsenal play, the pre-match analysis, full-time analysis, half-time analysis, we're going to go that live. And once you do that one, after 30 days, that one will disappear from our channel, because I can't be going live and I go and be downloading the live. I come and be uploading. It don't really make any sense. So that's where we are now, because things they change. That's life. Now, away from that, so Bayern Munich now, the vex for Joshua Kimmich. So BILD, who are a reputable media organization in Germany, and then they break this story. So the offer, the contract renewal offer where they give Joshua Kimmich, they don't withdraw. Now their annoyance will say, why are you wasting our time? You are discussing with us. You are discussing with Arsenal. You are discussing with Liverpool. That is a sign of disrespect. If you know saying Arsenal you won't go sign for, go there. If you know saying Liverpool you won't sign for, go there. You can't be using, maybe you go to tell Liverpool, say, when I give you a better contract, or see how much you Bayern give me. So when I don't give me, I go join Bayern. You come with Bayern, they tell Bayern, say, but I see what Liverpool and Arsenal give me. If I don't match me, I go join them. No, Bayern don't want that type of negotiation tactics there, because they say BILD learned Bayern have withdrawn their offer to Joshua Kimmich. The midfield star was reportedly informed at the start of the week that the offer he had received was no longer valid. The reason, Bayern officials cannot understand why he is still hesitating. They want a fundamental decision, not to talk to him about the contents of his contract. So that's so that one just be. Now, away from that also, can they get other reports from Theo Walcott when they urge Arsenal to sign former Chelsea player in a shock move? Now, who is Walcott talking about? Walcott, they talk about Hudson Odoi, maybe one of the former Chelsea players Not just Hudson-Odoi, he get many other players. So in the talk say, okay, make Arsenal go sign. He gets. So England winger Walcott has backed the Gunners to sign Mbeumo. He gets from Brentford and Callum Hudson-Odoi from Nottingham Forest. As in the talk say, this Mbeumo will make a whole lot of sense for us to use them as Bukayo Saka cover. He gets because Mbeumo they hot like fire this season. So Walcott said they say make him sign 3 players to join for this Arsenal team. He go sign Isak, he go sign Mbeumo, he go sign Hudson-Odoi, but he know say Isak is the one everybody wants, but it no did that easy. It gets so now. So Baba take give you own analysis. Now we're going to get information from ESPN. Say the FA Cup semi-automated VAR offside will be used in the FA Cup we will play now. So everything you need to know, they're going to explain how this semi-automated offside trap or call or watch the work. So they say this thing now they come to take over from the VAR officials. Instead of the VAR official to draw the lines, this technology could draw the line by himself, catch the offside. They say UEFA they use them, some kind leagues on the use them. So Arsenal want test time for the FA Cup. So probably next season they are going to implement it. So when you read the entirety of this report from ESPN UK, you consider they talk say UEFA was the first to introduce SAOT. You get that's the semi-automated offside technology. Now UEFA first introduce them. Now the EPL they say, okay, where can we test it? Let's test it in the FA Cup. So what is the semi-automated offside technology? It was developed by Genius Sports. The Premier League says it creates a more efficient placement of the virtual offside line. You draw the line very well using the technology called 3D. Yes, because the previous technology they use, that one they do it on in 2D. Now, why does VAR offside need to change? Because with a delay a lot of time checking for offside, sometimes we enter 5 minutes, and there are inaccuracies on the drawing of the line. Sometimes they make some kind of mistakes. Sometimes they will forget to draw the line. Now, how this line will be? This semi-automated offside technology, it uses a wall, and once they put that wall, the player with the offside in body go pass the wall. You say people see him in real time. The technology will say yes, this is offside. So the technology will map everywhere where players they contract forget computer so the thing will just map everything within the twinkle of an eye. 10 20 30 seconds you don't get your offside. It just be like the goal line technology before shebi if ball don cross line we no go know argument go dey if linesman no see am, even if you cross as long as linesman no see am, say you never cross, papa, you never cross with that, no matter your argument. That was why they brought in the goal line technology. Once the ball passes the line, the referee's watch is going to vibrate and he will see am there. Goal. Nobody they argue with that one. That's why if that kind of thing happen, referee go first look in what, say how far. Once he no see anything, there's no argument. Everybody go move on. So now so it just be so. We just hope say this one now go come take care of all the issues we will get with offside. Now, Charles Watts, can they tell Arsenal fans, say make them prepare for disappointments as this summer transfer they come, and the disappointment, the area of the disappointment where in they focus on, now be where Alexander Isak they. So if you say you see this Isak, because many Arsenal fans they hope and pray say Arsenal go fit sign this Alexander Isak. So Charles Watts is saying make una no too put body because you are going to be disappointed. He no see any way when Newcastle go sell this player, because the journalist says Arsenal fans should prepare for disappointment on this front, claiming that he can't see any way in which Arsenal will actually sign Alexander Isak. So he say you are talking too much money, that I just don't see a way that Arsenal can do that. I hope I'm wrong. I hope they absolutely surprise me, which is what's I don't always talk here. Say I hope Arsenal shocks me, because my shock absorber, I don't think why I test them. Now they say I hope they somehow manage to put a bid together that Newcastle would entertain. But I just can't see it. I don't think it goes anywhere this summer. I do not think Newcastle will sell Isak to Arsenal or to anyone unless you put something like £200 million on the table, and no one is going to do that this summer. So honestly, I'd prepare yourself for disappointment. If you're already thinking that Isak is attainable this summer, I just don't think he is. And Charles Watts, I concur to your line of thoughts. I actually also think we no go fit get this. Like, if we get time, it will shock me. I no go lie, because I don't see it happening. So it makes sense. But we face realistic targets. Even if we no sign It's not like say if we sign another striker, we are good to go. No be more say go be Isak. Isak is not the only striker waiting for market. There's Gyökeres. If Gyökeres no dey, we can manage Sesko. Just give us a center forward. We sabi know where the back of the net dey. As long as whoever is coming in is better than Havertz, you are good to go. As long as Havertz is better than Havertz, I dey better than Jesus Papa. I don't get any complainants. Okay, just look at the one who will let's go. Mika Biereth. Sports Bible, when they put out a report, say Arsenal may be regretting that they sold the guy to Storm Graz. Storm Graz can sell him, give Monaco. So the match they played last, guy scored hat-trick against Ligue 1 strugglers. Get one of the teams say they play in recent times, and this is like the third hat-trick where he don't score. You get in 7 games, I mean 9 games. So now the commentator say this guy don't break Ibrahimovic record. Get because in the first 10 games where they say it took his tally to 10 goals in the first 7 games. Okay, don't score 10 goals in first 7 games, and Ibrahimovic record now 9 goals in 7. You get. So now some other people going to talk say this guy they play for Shipaka League. Shebi even for Larry Balogun have scored like 20 something goals in one season like that for what be that? I don't forget the name of the team. Whether that's something Rams, I don't forget that. Did he replicate it the following season? Say that league, they don't get good defense, Jare. You get this and that. Well, make una leave and making the shine. Whether they get good defense or they don't get defense, now in time to shine. You get. If say the guy they ask now, would he have succeeded? Nobody really knows, yet because he don't really get the chance to impress. So it is what it is. Now let's make the message from one of our sponsors, Bobby Water Associates and Co Limited. They are into construction services, dredging, canalization, real estate, and shop protection works. They're also into mechanical and fabrication services and procurement services nationwide. So if you want to reach out to them, you can call them on +234 8064642234, and they're located at number 7 Kenilworth Road, Oriazi, opposite St. Stephen's Anglican Church, Port Harcourt. So if you're interested in any of the services, do reach out to them. So if you watch, you see, say, I try to see I will make the news stories. They did very, very brief because I know say now they don't double price of data, so we need to be considerate on our community members also. No be paper until they buy data. So that's why I try to give it the news sharply and limit my commentary. Now, away from that, so the biggest news of the night, I mean, the fact that the International Football Association Board, which they call IFAB, so them don't approve the new goalkeeper time wasting rule. You get. So them they talk say in the future, in 2025-2026 season, any goalkeeper will hold the ball for more than 8 seconds. That goalkeeper will collect a penalty, and that penalty is going to be that they will give the opposition team a corner kick because they want to see how they will get rid of time wasting in football. So it is what it is. Now their own law be that. All right, so my dear Arsenal lovers, I think it's a fine place for us to call the show an end. So it's like come your way tomorrow morning and give you the morning news. So then thanks for tuning in. Enjoy the rest of your night. And a good night. I'm at your mouth. All right, guys. Bye-bye.